Hello everyone, now I'm going to show you how to download Notepad++ on Windows 11. So let's go to Google search and type Notepad++ download. Click on this link notepadplus.org. Click on this. Here we can see different versions are available. We will select the Happy Users Edition, this version, the latest one. Here we can see that there's an option for 64-bit by 64. So we will click on this installer. It is downloading over here. Once it is downloaded, click on this. Click on yes. We have to select the language in which we are going to use it. So by default it is showing English. Click on OK. Click on next. After reading all the terms and agreement, you can click on agree. It is showing the path where it will be installed. Click next. Let the default be marked as is and we can click on next. If in case you want any shortcut on desktop, you can click on this and then click install. So this will install Notepad++. Now it has been installed successfully on our computer. So click on finish. This has opened the Notepad++. So like this, we can click on new file and we can start using it. Thank you.